Hello guys, welcome to another interesting episode of Plants and Life YouTube channel. So here in this video I am going to show you the perfect way of potting a plant in a pot. It will be completed through some important steps, so watch the video carefully till end. First of all, place the broken pot pieces over the holes of the pot, but be careful, always keep the convex up. After that, place a layer of some gravels over that. Gravels are the smallest pieces of stone, but it is not sand. Then put a layer of sand over those gravel. Then have some watering, and this will make your pot's drainage godlike. Then use your media or soil to pot your plant. These steps are very necessary. Through these steps, you can get rid of all the kinds of fungus problem in your plant's roots and other problems regarding stagnant water on pots. So guys, that's all for today. If you have enjoyed the video or learned something, then please like, share and comment. Please share our video to show some love, and then please subscribe our channel if you have not yet. Thank you guys. Stay home, stay safe.